So some very important tips I will discuss because last 12 days roughly remaining for GATE Aerospace 2024 exam. So few things you can change and few things are not in your hand. For example, many of you are staying in your college hostels, so food is not in your hand, but that food you can have on time. Many students, many engineers I should say, they have very bad habit regarding their timely food. They don't eat food on time. Every small thing will have good effect or bad effect on your final day exam, GATE Aerospace exam for 2024. Listen now. First of all, you have to work because last 10 days are remaining. So first of all, you have to work on your sleep pattern because this year our GATE exam is in the morning time. So your sleep pattern should be such. Many students, they will be so much panic, they will not sleep whole night and they will go and perform their exam for those 3 hours. Then I can give you in written, you will do more mistakes than your usual mistakes, human errors I am saying. So you have to make sure when are you going to sleep on that day, when are you going to wake up. Many of you may have to travel few kilometers than average traveling because your centers may not be at right location, you may have got somewhere else. So many of you may have to go and take hotels somewhere. So guys, everything should be very properly well planned. Okay, two things you should take care. One more advice I will give you, like if you guys are having some fever or not feeling well or feeling weak, not having enough motivation to revise, or you are not able to sit for long time to study, because nowadays revision needs more and more hours. So like in my case also, like when I sit for 10 plus hours because of heavy workload, I feel like back pain or something, but not regularly. Nowadays I have got one new habit of playing foosball in my campus. So I stand there for 1.5 hours, sometimes 2 hours. So I also feel tired. So many of you are traveling in your college campus. Many of you are going and coming on in bus, using bus to travel from college. So everything is making you tired. So I will recommend that meet some local doctors and for 10 days, just for 10 days, add some extra supplement. Like I can't take any names here, just meet some doctors, like some capsules are coming, right? For 10 days, multivitamin capsules, or they may help you, or like glucon D or electrol or something that they will help you, like if you're feeling tired. Okay, whatever is your schedule, just enhance your schedule so that it should not affect you during exam hall. Because see, I have qualified GATE exam 6 times. I know when you will go to exam hall, before the exam hall, what will be pressure, what will be in your mind. Some students, they used to be chill. Two types of students used to be chill. If you are really good prepared, or if you have not prepared anything. But in my case, I was never like that. I was moderately prepared in my time. So even I used to have that, like I used to revise, but before half an hour, like on nearby shops, like out of the exam hall, exam campus, like I guess 2-3 times I have given in this digital ion center. So nearby shops will be there, you can have coffee and all, or tea, whatever you feel better. And yeah, I used to say, in every year I used to say that before exam hall, before your exam, at room temperature, get any caffeinated energy drink like Red Bull or something, Monster. These things are there. Anyone, whatever feels better for you, you can have. But at room temperature. Otherwise, if you will have chilled, then many times you may have to go to washroom and all. So avoid that. Make yourself relax before 2-3 days. And if you are traveling, you make sure that you should not have fever or cold or these things. Students staying north part of India will be facing heavy winter nowadays, and students like nearby Chennai or where I am staying in Karnataka, in these places, you guys will be having somewhat better weather condition. So students who are staying in the north part of India, please take care, because if you will be having cold and fever during your exam, it will affect your preparation, revision plans, because you have to revise well. So in these 10 days, make a very good plan. Like, okay, this is my sleeping time, this is my revision time. But again, I am saying, first give preference to your revision. Okay, if you have not revised your syllabus according to your plan, first complete the revision, then sleep. Like suppose you have a plan that I will sleep at 11 p.m. in the night and I will wake up at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. whatever. So suppose exam is very near and you are not able to revise things on time, no problem, you extend that. You extend 12 a.m., 1 a.m., late night 1:30 or 2, and then you sleep and you wake up at 7, 8, because complete revision is very, very important. And I don't know, but at many places, but in many situations, students, they do mistake if they don't have proper sleep pattern. I remember once, when we were doing very good preparation, one of my friend, he was in Chennai, so he was calling me 5 a.m. morning when there was exam on that day. Like, Viru, are you sleeping? What are you doing, man? I am totally, like, I don't know what will I do. So I said that at least sleep for 2 hours, and that person did not sleep. But anyway, I remember he got 59 or 52 marks, I think, or something, 51 marks, something he got. He went to IIT Kharagpur for aerospace, MTech aerospace. So my point is, take my talk as a general talk, as a general advice. Maybe things are different for you, or you know how to plan better for these cases. But I am saying it affects in exam hall. Okay. So painkiller you should have that day also. If you are having any kind of pain, eye pain, headache, anything, before exam, take and go. But meet your doctor, then only you take any decision. Like what happens in our home, generally if head is paining or any body part is paining, people will simply take dolo without any consultant with the doctor or something. So anyway, like, we take things lightly, but you be very careful, because for many students this GATE exam is life changing exam. For many of you, this can be just a trial, like, okay, let's have this exam and let's see, let's judge the question paper. But understand one more thing. If you are not enough prepared, you cannot judge the level of question paper. Only that person can judge the level of question paper who has done at least moderate level of preparation. If you are very much below or just a beginner, you can never judge what is the level of GATE aerospace preparation. Okay. So many of you are having very serious preparation this time, and this GATE exam is going to change your life. Really, many of you are going to be in top 10, top 20, top 50, top 100, and when result will come, and after that, many of you are watching my video for the very first time. I will introduce myself. I am running a dedicated GATE coaching center for aerospace department online. Earlier I was offline in Chennai. So I am running this from 2014. That was my first batch, and this is 2024. My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE aerospace exam 6 times. My student, they call me Viru sir. And I have given so many very good students in different IITs. They have qualified GATE exam. And many students, they could not qualify GATE exam from my own coaching center. So all those experiences, and I have qualified 6 times. So these experience, it's been so many years I am into GATE Aerospace academics. If you are being motivated to prepare for GATE Aerospace 2025, 2026, you can be from any department, from mechanical, like similar departments like mechanical, electrical, or these CS, and you are willing to prepare civil, you are willing to prepare for GATE Aerospace exam, you contact me immediately. If you are not in that mood, but you know someone, some senior, some junior, some classmate who are looking for best coaching center for GATE Aerospace, give them my number and share them this video. So my number, WhatsApp number 6380135260. So main motto behind this video is, I have to make sure that you guys are aware of your health condition, sleep pattern, and food habits. If you are not focusing on these things, any one of this may affect. Some people, they will go to a washroom, toilet 2-3 times during the exam, in GATE exam. Okay, so if you are going and coming 2 minutes, you are wasting like 5 to 6 minutes you can give to one question, and that one question may change your IIT. So take this seriously. Whoever is taking this seriously, follow everything, whatever can add value in your preparation and in your life. Okay, thank you all. Best of luck.